Society, this is the Self-Preservation Society. Go wash your German Belgium on rice too. Cut your body fair, we got a lot to do. Put on your finger and you'll make them right.
Hey, I put some new shoes on and suddenly everything's right. I said, hey, I put some new shoes on and everybody's smiling. It's so high.
About 6 months ago I bought myself a new set of boots, but I've just been squeezing the last bit of life out of the old ones. But yesterday I got a tear in one of them and came back with a bucket full of water. So I've got my new ones on today and I'm trying them out in Derbyshire, and we're going up Grindsbrook this way. Bit of an incline, that last bit, not too bad. Starts getting a bit more frisky around this bit, then it starts getting steep. Grindsbrook, I've done it a couple of times before, and it's not a bad one for a beginner, for people who have done a bit of hill walking and they want to do something a bit more scrambly. But it's not too dangerous, do you know what I mean? But let's crack on. About halfway up now. There's quite a few nice little waterfalls and that you go past. I don't know if anybody watched my camping video last week, but one of the things that struck me more than anything was the weight of the pack that you had to carry, because you've got your sleeping bag, your tarp and all the other stuff. And my plan was to camp up here as well, or on one of these plateaus. But the pack that I had last week was that heavy that I don't think I'd fancy walking up this sort of stuff with something with that much weight on. So I'm going to have to rethink it. I don't want to take the fun out of this part of it, do you know what I mean? So I might just leave the camping for the woods and just do sort of light backpacking, light pack walking for this sort of stuff. But we'll have to see. Maybe when the summer comes, I'll be able to do some lightweight camping as well, so we'll have to see. Quite a good view from there. Just having a bit of a wait while these two people clear and do this final run. Apologies if this video appears a bit fractured. There's people scattered all over and they keep cropping up. And there's voices and all sorts, so I keep having to find places where there's not so many people about. It's surprising actually, because it's been forecast, the weather's been forecast appalling today, and there's still quite a few people out. That's where we've got to go. And back at one of my favourite spots, just at the foot of Mam Tor. I've driven out of Edale and parked up here for a bit. Great view. Thanks for coming. I'll see you next time.